Welcome, one and all, to lesson 66, talking about ratio problems with totals. And as we take a look at this lesson, the fact is that we have been doing this for centuries. And even though you come to the circus every day, you will be amazed once again how well you know this. Let's take a look at this, ladies and gentlemen. We have worked with ratios, how to set up ratios together with actual counts. And today we review the wonderful concept of what happens if you have totals involved with this and you're not given all of the actual counts. How do we in the end find all the actual counts? Well, it's really quite simple. We're going to set up a ratio box. But this ratio box is going to add one more line. We're going to add that line with a total. This feat may seem impossible. It may seem like it's impossible and no one in the world could do it. But don't put your lotion on. Use some conditioner and get through that ring of fire. All right? You will do just fine. Here we go. Our ratio in this problem says boys to girls at the assembly was 5 to 4. So there are 5 boys for every 4 girls. Right? If there were 180 students in the assembly, how many girls were there? And so we find out that, boom, there's 180 there. From here, we can use our ratio. If I take our top number in our ratio and our second number in our ratio and I add them together, I get a total of 9. By doing that, suddenly I have a new ratio. I have a ratio of either 5 to 9, 5 boys to the total number of boys and girls, and 4 girls to 9 being the total number of everything there. And so in this case, now I have a new ratio I can use. I have 4 9ths, which is right here. I'm going to use this, and I have a total of 180, and so I can use this. Now I can do a couple different things, right? I can cross multiply and then divide, right? Or in this case, in this example, we can look for a relationship. Is there a relationship between 9 and 18? And hopefully you're saying, well, 2, we'll add a 0, and 9 times 20 equals 180. So if I take 4 times 20, I should know how many girls there are. And 4 times 20, of course, is 80, which means there are 100 boys. But we don't need to know about the boys. We just need to know about the girls. Because that's all the question asks for. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to take a volunteer from the crowd, and that volunteer is you. And you get to attempt this death-defying feat of setting up a ratio box with a total. Best of luck on lesson 66.